The ingredient is 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of black coffee, and 1 sachet of condensed milk. And the tool we need is a mixer and a round bowl. First of all, put your 2 tablespoons of black coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water in a bowl. Second, mix all the ingredients until the color changes to brown. Third, after done mixing the ingredients, you got yourselves a Dalgona cream. Then, put your condensed milk in a glass and put hot water. For a better results, you can add some ice cubes if you want. It is nice to serve it with a cold ice milk. Next, add the Dalgona cream on top of the ice milk. Lastly, put some chocolate chips, marshmallow, and a wafer. And then, there you have it. You can serve the Dalgona coffee now.